Right then peeps, got the wheel back from a place called KAP in Folkestone. Big shout out to them, especially Anita on desk. Very helpful. I actually turned up with the wheel today and I was supposed to leave it with them for 2 or 3 days, and they basically done it there and then within the hour. So again, big shout out to them, highly recommended. I'll throw a few pictures up of that place and the location on the map. If you're in Kent, that's well worth visiting. So the guy was telling me there's 2 areas where the wheel was out. He's drawn a little arrow on each side. So apparently they're very busy straightening wheels at the minute with all the potholes around, and you know, it's just one of them things nowadays. But I've inspected this tyre and I've noticing there's a crack running all the way down here. So this tyre needs replaced, and you can even see a bit of the fluffy stuff coming out of it, which is not good at all. And the date on this tyre is 22, so it's only 3 years old, and we've just got into 2025, so 2 and a bit years, 3 years. But yeah, which is a shame because there's still plenty of life on it, even though it does look like it's been wearing on the inside more. So yeah, another pair of tyres. Right then peeps, new tyre day. So what we got on here, Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. These are the T0, so Tesla approved tyres. And as I showed in a previous video, because this wheel was slightly buckled, there's a crack that runs all the way along this tyre, which I'm not happy about. So they've got to get changed. So I'm going to go down to the tyre shop now and I'll let you know which ones I went for. But this tyre here on this side is pretty decent with about 5mm left to tread. So I'm going to be taking that one back with me and I'm going to sell that to recover some of the cost. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll let you know what tyres I went for. Right then, this is the place I brought it to, Fox Tyres in Walmer. As you can see off in the distance, nice views. The sun's trying to break its way in. But anyway, this place here, very competitive. I normally use Black Circles, but I've had a lot of dealings with these guys recently because they rebalanced my wheels, and you know, they basically didn't charge me a lot, give me some advice on where to get the wheel straightened, which I went down to that place in Folkestone, which was very good. So anyway, got a couple of quotes off Black Circles and rang these guys up, and it was pretty much the same price, but a couple of pound extra. I mean, I could have haggled, but you know, because they've helped me out so much, I wasn't going to argue over like £7. So yeah, if you're down this way, Sandwich, they've got a branch in Sandwich and a branch in Walmer, and find them very good indeed. Right then people, this is what I went for. Went for the same again, looked online, and basically most people are saying don't mess about, just get the same ones. As you can see on the inside here, it has got the foam on it, which is what you never see really, obviously once the tyres are on. There you go, perfection. Yeah, did you see the crack in that tyre?
You want to show them?
Yeah. Where is it? Yeah, that outside edge there. Yeah, it's worthwhile changing that, wouldn't it?
Definitely, mate, definitely.
What's that, like a grease?
This is, so when the tyre seats and it's all blown up, it's like a protector for the rim so you don't get a rim leak.
Oh, cool. Be interesting to see how this wheel balances up actually, because this is the one that was buckled.
Yes, they've still left the arrow on there, so I was quite surprised because they've done a very good job.
Yeah, type it. Alright, so this is a wheel that I just had repaired, which was buckled. Looks much better, doesn't it?
I love that. Still buckle no more. That's where your buckle was. Where the arrow is.
Oh yeah. They said there's two places, there's another one down there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You've done a very good job.
Have a perfect job. Right then people, just tightening up the nuts here on the wheel. Torque setting is 175 for your information.
That'd be Newton meters as well.
Newton meters. Always better with a torque spanner. Need to invest in one of them, that's for sure. Again, another pucker job done here by Fox Tyres. So if you're in Walmer or Sandwich is the other branch, is it?
It's Sandwich and Eastry.
Sandwich and Eastry. And come and get your tyres if you're down this way. Over and out.